This segment brought to you by NAB. We see Australian business.
At NAB, we want to lend money to good quality businesses. That's what we do. I think what's important for our customers to understand, though, is how do we assess a loan application? Because if they understand that, they're much more likely to have success, or at least get an answer very, very quickly. Some of the questions we're going to ask you when you're applying for a loan with us are things like, how much money do you need? And more importantly, what is the borrowing cause? What is the real root cause for why you're asking for this request? We'll look at things like, what is the industry or the business you're getting into? What are the associated risks with that business? What are your competitors doing? Do you have a clear strategy and marketing plan? There are four main things that a customer should always include in their loan application. Firstly, a business plan. Secondly, a cash flow forecast. Cash flow forecast is actually quite important to a bank because it helps us understand the right loan facility for the customer. Secondly, it helps us understand whether the customer can repay us in a timely fashion. And thirdly, it helps us understand whether it's the right thing for the customer to go into. We also look for security. Things like, is the house available to back up the loan? Or a personal guarantee? Or other assets? Shares, for example. And finally, we look to the client's statement of position. And that is simply a form that shows us what the customer owns and what the customer owes, and the net worth is the difference. There are three main reasons why loans are declined. Number one is insufficient financial data is supplied to assess the loan application. Number two is insufficient cash flow that can demonstrate the loan being repaid in a timely manner. And number three is insufficient security. Some things that our customers don't think of doing, and they should, is getting independent advice. So using their accountant or trusted financial advisor to provide them with input as to how to prepare their financial statements and their cash flow forecasts, and to put their loan application together for the bank, because they often know exactly what is needed. This enables us to clearly understand what our customers' needs are, and then tailor a financial solution to help them achieve their goals. And that's vitally important to us.
Visit nab.com.au/smallbusiness for more information.